Hi guys, Captain Nick here in Captain Keith's world famous training center, and today we're going to be talking about different types of anchors. I know at first glance they all look relatively the same. Realistically, they're all going to hold different in different types of bottom in different areas, and they're going to be made out of different materials. So Keith, what exactly does this mean, and what situations are these anchors going to work best?
So you've got different types like you were talking about. So your bigger yachts, sport yachts, are going to have something like this. This is a plow anchor, and if you look at it, it looks just like a John Deere plow, right? So this is going to go down. This is going to work good in kind of like sandy bottom, mud. It'll work, you know, pretty much wherever. The trick to these is you got to make sure you have enough chain. So the chain is what's going to hold this down. And like with any anchor, you've got to set it. So if I drop this down off the boat, if I lower this down, it may land like that, but my boat is going back that way. You've got to make sure you pull it around to where this is going to spin around and give your boat some reverse thrust to be able to dig and wedge that plow down into the water. Here is a slip ring anchor where you notice we got this little ring right here. All right, so your chain is going to be attached to this. So the advantage of this is for a smaller boat, or maybe when you go to the beach, you want to have a stern anchor. But what'll happen if we get this anchor anchored on the bottom, and say it gets hung up on a ledge, and your line's onto here, what you can do is if you drive your boat around past this ring is going to slide back to here, and then you're going to be able to pull the anchor out and unwedge it from what it's stuck in. Here's a Danforth. It's kind of like your typical anchor that you see. This you would drop in. This is going to be good for all types of surfaces. Same deal. It's the flukes are going to hook into the bottom. You still have to set this hook, and then once again you have to have a nice amount of chain. Right. This one's still in the box, but you can see it's shaped. It's a Danforth shape. But this is a Fortress anchor. It's aluminum. It's lightweight. It says here the world's best anchor. I kind of tend to agree with them. These are really, really nice. They stick like a dart. This is a 4-pound anchor, and it'll hold a boat. I don't know what the length is, but it's, you know, probably mid-20s on this. A great stern anchor because it's lightweight. You hop out of the boat, you can pick this thing up instead of dragging a big heavy anchor like this, which is 2 or 3 times the weight of this one. I hope this short video clip was helpful for you. For any of your anchoring needs, whether it's anchor, you need chain, or help putting it together, go visit one of your local MarineMax stores. The service and parts department are fantastic. They'll have all this equipment for you and be able to help you out.
Yeah, and if you find yourself at MarineMax Clearwater, feel free to stop by Captain Keith's training center in his natural habitat. Say hey, I promise you he doesn't bite, and who knows, you might learn something.
So, see you guys out on the water.